Think you don't have time to exercise? These quick and easy exercises support your well-being even if you just have a few minutes. My first tip would be to look at your environment and use what you have. You don't have to purchase gear to exercise. If you're working from home, stand up and down from your chair a few times or use your desk to do push-ups. Or if you're at the office, climb the stairs in your lunch break. Secondly, make movement part of your day. For time-poor people, short, high-intensity exercise has great cardiovascular benefits. For example, while you're waiting for the kettle to boil, do some squats or some lunges. When you're driving your car, park further away so you can add in an extra walk to your day. And my last tip is to do what you enjoy. You're more likely to stick to an exercise plan if you enjoy what you're doing. For example, put on your headphones and go for a walk or a run, play some music and have a dance, or go out in the backyard and play with your kids. Just remember, when it comes to exercise and real well-being, it's the intent that matters the most.